there, it's Hannah with WTI. Are you looking for a gorgeous mirror? This one by TETOTE is totally going to blow you away. It is stunning with the rounded corners. The gold is this really pretty brushed gold, so it has a very luxurious look to it. I also love that the mirror looks like it's floating, which adds an extra dimension that it just really adds a little bit of interest to something that's pretty ordinary. Another really great thing about this mirror, it is packed wonderfully, so when it arrives, it will come in perfect shape. This thing is so easy to install. They have a really nice guide that you tape to your wall, you mark your points, and it's just these two little pieces that you screw into the wall, and the mirror just has cleats that fit right on top of that, and you're done. Piece of cake. And then you can just enjoy the beautiful reflection of yourself every time you walk by. This has been perfect in our bedroom as an extra mirror when our bathroom is full, but it would also make a great mirror in a living room or in a bathroom. The glass is tempered, so if it would happen to shatter, it will be a very safe shatter. But the aluminum alloy is extra durable and rust resistant, so it makes a really nice mirror in the bathroom. So if you were looking for a new mirror, go ahead and get this one, and you will see how luxurious and how beautiful it is in real life. But that's just my point of view.